Hello kids! How are you all? I hope you all are well. My name is Vijeta Virja from Saraswati Group of Education. From today we are going to start our new journey in grade 1. I hope in the vacation you all have revised any of the concept of previous year. Today we are going to understand new words of poem 1. What does little birdie say? Now, can you tell me why first we are going to understand the new words before the explanation of poem? Let me tell you. Because new words are the words which you never heard before. So, before going to explanation of poem, if you understand these meanings of new words, then it will become more easier to understand the poem. So, let us start with the new words of poem 1. What does little birdie say? Hello everyone. Vocabulary words. Poem 1. What does little birdie say? As I told you, before we start a poem, first we will understand the meaning of new words so that it will become very easy for you to understand the poem. Okay? So let us start with the new words of poem 1. What does little birdie say? The first word is builds. B-U-I-L-D-S. Builds, which means to make something. Okay, let me show you the picture so that you can understand in a better way. So, you can see this picture with the help of blocks. A house is built. Yes. So, builds means to make something. Here, with the help of blocks, a house is built. Okay. Let me show you one more example. That is, birds builds nest to live. As we are going to study in this poem about birds. So, I have taken example that is birds builds nest to live. Yes, with the help of small sticks, birds builds a nest. Okay, so we can say build means assembling and joining. Listen carefully. Build means assembling and joining. Join करना किसको? Different parts or materials. Okay. Builds means assembling and joining parts or materials. Okay. Let me tell you one more example. Tom wants to build his dream house. Listen carefully. Tom wants to build his dream house. If Tom wants to build a dream house, then what materials he required? Yes, he required cement, sand, bricks. Yes, so with the help of these different materials, a house is built. Okay, did you get the meaning of builds? Okay, now The next one is birdie. Birdie. Birdie is the another word for birds. Okay. It is used for young birds, means little birds. The little baby bird is called birdie. Okay, you can see the picture. The birdie is trying to fly. It is a little bird. So we say birdie is trying to fly. Okay. As we know, dog young one is puppy. Cat young one is kitten. Cow young one is calf. In this way, the bird's young one is, we can say, birdie. Now, next is peep of the day. Peep of the day. P-E-E-P. Peep of the day. Which means sunrise. You can see the picture. After the dark night, the sun rises. It is the time in the morning when sun appears. Or we can say first appearance of daylight. When first light appears in the morning, it is the time of sunrise. We begin our day with the sunrise. Next word is fly. F-L-Y, fly. Fly means to move with the air. Something which moves with the air, which is called fly. Okay, you can see the birds are flying. Birds are moving with the air. Example, the kite is flying. Kite is flying. Move with the air. Kite moves with the air. So we can say kite is flying. Aeroplane moves with the air. So we can say aeroplane is flying. Next is wings. W-I-N-G-S. Wings. Wings means one of the two parts that a bird uses to fly. Okay. You can see the wings of the birds. Wings gives the bird the ability to fly. Rise. R-I-S-E. Rise. Rise means to get up from sleep. You can see the picture. Observe the picture. The girl is wake up just now. So, rise means wake up. Rise means wake up. You have to wake up early. It's a good habit, right? You all know. We have to wake up early. Okay. As this poem is about birds. So, here the little birdie is wake up early in the morning. Yes, as all the birds wake up early in the morning and starts chirping and buzzing like they are singing morning songs. Yes, so rise means wake up. Next is limbs. Limbs means hands and legs. You can see the picture. Any of the paired body part is called limbs. Okay? कोई भी बॉडी पार्ट्स जो पैर में हो और जॉइंट हो हमारी मेन बॉडी से, दैट इज कॉल्ड लिम्स. Humans, for example, humans hands and legs. In the human body, the hands are called upper limbs. Hands are called upper limbs. Upper limbs are used for holding, writing, eating. Yes. And the legs are called lower limbs. Lower limbs are used in walking, jumping, running, kicking. Likewise, do you know which are the limbs of birds? Do they have hands and legs? Yes, they have legs. But where is the hands? The wings are their hands. So, wings and legs are the limbs of the birds, which they are used for flying, walking, standing. Yes, so this is the new words limbs, limbs. Next is rest, rest, rest means to relax. You can see the picture, the girl is doing nothing, just sitting on the sofa and relaxing. Any activity not done by our body, that is rest. A period of doing nothing, that is called rest. Do we need rest? Yes, it's necessary for our health to do any activity or any work in a better way. We need to take rest. So, these are our new words of poem 1. Now, we are going to play a game. Get ready, okay? Now, I am going to tell you what you have to do. Step 1. Observe the picture carefully. You have to observe the picture carefully. Step 2. Recall all the words. And step 3. Recognize the correct word. So, first you have to observe the picture. I am going to show you the picture. You have to observe it and then you have to recall all the words according to the picture and recognize the correct word. Okay, so let us start. Now, first of all, observe the picture carefully and recall the words. Did you all recognize the word? Okay, now I am going to tell you correct word for this picture. And you have to check it whether you are wrong or right. So, this is the word rice. Now, the next picture is you have to tell new words, not meaning of this picture. Now, observe this picture. Recall all the words and just recognize which word is it. Guess the word. Now I am going to tell you which word it is. peep of the day. Okay? So, this is the word peep of the day. You have to recognize new words, not the meaning of this word. In the worksheet also, if I have given this picture, then you don't have to write sunrise. You have to write the word peep of the day. Okay, so remember it. Now, the next is observe this picture, recall all the words and recognize the word. I am giving you the hint with the help of different parts. We can make something. Yes, you guessed it right. It is a builds. Now next, observe this picture. Recall all the words and recognize the correct word. Yes, you guessed it right. It is the word rest. Okay, now let's see one more picture. Observe this picture. Recall all the words and guess the correct word. Okay, you are right. This is the word fly. Okay, observe the next picture. Recall words. I am giving you the hint. Baby birds are called. Yes, correct. You guessed it right. It is birdie. Now, the next is hands and legs. Recall all the words and recognize the word, correct word. Yes, you are right. You guessed it right. It is the word limbs. Now, the next. This one is easy. Have you guessed the word? Yes, you all are right. The word is wings. I hope all of you have enjoyed the game. Now you have to learn all the words and meaning of these words. Thank you everyone.
I hope you all have understood the meaning of new words with the help of pictures and examples. For better understanding and to learn all the new words of our poem 1, What Does Little Birdie Say? You have to watch this video again. Along with this video lecture, you will get worksheet. In that worksheet, I have mentioned two questions. The first question, I have given crossword puzzle with pictures. Suppose if I have given the picture over here, then you have to write new word according to that picture. Okay? So this is the picture of sunrise. Then you have to write new word of sunrise So you have to write here peep of the day. So peep of day in this way. Suppose I have given here the picture of rice, then you have to write the word R-I-S-E. If I have given the picture of rest over here, then you have to write the word rest. Okay, so in this way you have to complete this crossword puzzle. Second question is missing letters. In that you have to write missing letters and complete the words with the help box. Okay, with this I have given a help box. According to that you have to complete the words